This is going to be a porta potty review here on a new home construction. This very large growing neighborhood just outside of Durham, North Carolina. These are all like cookie cutter homes, very small lots. And this is a new home under construction here. Looks like they have one porta potty for two homes, possibly another one coming here. Really neat home. This one's framed up. They seem like they can build these overnight, that quick. This is a ready light. Let's see if we can get over there and avoid some mud and take a look at this one. Oh wow, this one is really sitting at a bad angle too. Look at this. Let's go in. Ah, muddy. Muddy, muddy. And it smells horrible in here. This is really sitting at a bad angle. This door will not close. Got a force, it looks like. It's like it was last cleaned June 15th. And that was just a few days ago. Looks like we got 2 rolls of toilet paper in there. Smells awful even though it's just been cleaned. I don't know if this person can even shut this door. I don't think you can. Some spider webs here. Oh, horrible looking commode. It's like somebody has missed as well. Isn't that gross? Let's go take a look on the outside here. There, got a lot here, and this one looks like this one porta potty is going to support all those. God, this is leaning. It's almost a safety hazard. I'd kind of give this one a thumbs down. This thing is leaning. New home construction here just outside of Durham, North Carolina.